Maruti Suzuki's India Road Safety Mission saw not only the common man come out in full support, but had celebrities from all walks of life also endorsing the importance of road safety.
Please wear a helmet, drive safely, don't drink and drive.
I think it's very important for you to take care of your safety and the safety of people around you.
Please don't drink and drive. It's taken away too many precious lives.
Follow the rules, and the rules are made for our safety. So that's what I do. So I hope everybody does that.
Fashion designer Mandira Work makes it a point to buckle up every time she takes her car out. A safety protocol which he swears by.
I think the basic rules for starters, like wear a seat belt. I think it's so mandatory, not just for a person who's driving. I think also for back people. I have actually made that rule in my house that I have a little girl who's only 3 years old and I have a car seat for her. When she was born, she actually was sitting in the car seat from there till now when she goes to school. And for simple rules like the red light, the yellow and the green, which I think is something which one should not even think of breaking. One should have that kind of feeling and emotion, feel that, you know, it's just not safety about your own self, it's also about safety about other people who are driving.
Elated when she got her driving license as a college student, Mandira too was not aware of many traffic rules. But over the years, she has made it a point to learn the signage and drive within speed limit.
Be a safe driver, enjoy your drive, enjoy your car, but safety comes as the most important priority.
And she is not alone. After a narrow escape from an accident a few years ago, Santoor player Aman Ali makes sure he follows all traffic rules while driving.
Honestly, I've had one bad accident. I was not under any influence of alcohol, but I was coming back. I was doing a late night. I was working during the day, and in the evening I'd gone out. I was coming back at about 1:32 in the morning, and I actually dozed off. And that's the first day I realized that I should have a driver at night when I'm tired, or you know, if you go out with friends you go out for a drink, which we all enjoy once in a while. So driving after having alcohol or driving when you're not feeling all up to it is a crime by itself. So till you're not mentally 100% there, you should never sit behind the wheels, ever.
He has become a firm believer of lane driving and never jumps a red light, even if he is getting late for his practice sessions.
Though we all are educated people, when it comes to being on the road, something happens to all of us. I don't know what it is. It's a road rage issue that comes in. It's an ego that walks into people. You know, I've noticed a lot of people on the road over here that the most educated class of people don't follow rules while driving. Simple as indicators or putting on your Bluetooth or on your telephone if it's really urgent. Yeah, following traffic rules. I don't know. It doesn't happen yet that much.
Coming to the aid of those learning to drive, Maruti Suzuki has set up 320 driving schools all across the country. Featuring localized simulators and professional monitoring, these institutes are committed to imparting high-quality training. The company plans to double its network of driving schools in the next 2 to 3 years.
We have done a variety of things. One thing that comes to mind is the IDTRs and the MDS that we have started. IDTRs are Institute of Driving and Traffic Management. This basically, we have done this in conjunction with various state governments. We got 7 of them today, as well as our Maruti driving schools. This is in conjunction with our dealer network, and we got around 320 of them today. The first one, it trains various sections of society, truck drivers, bus drivers, etc. Like I said, in conjunction with the state government. So it is a joint effort, collaboration with the state government. And MDS, we are training drivers giving them refresher courses. This is being done for the general public also.
I wasn't aware at all, I'd say, not just breaking rules, but I wasn't aware at all. And now I know much better than even my father, I'd say.
Basically, जो आपकी बेसिक वो होती है नॉलेज, वो क्लियर हो गई. मतलब थी लेकिन वो क्लियर नहीं थी. उसमें ना वो शार्पनेस आ गई है. होता है ना प्रॉपरली एक एक चीज़ पता चलना कि क्या होता है. पहले मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं पता थी. स्पीड इंडिकेटर कब देना है, बारिश में आपका डिस्टेंस एक दूसरे व्हीकल से आपके व्हीकल में कितना होना चाहिए था. ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें छोटी छोटी बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता है.
In order to instill the need for safe driving amongst youngsters, Maruti Suzuki started the Young Driver Contest in 2009. A three-stage contest, the initiative saw close to 50,000 registrations in 2013. 1,200 young drivers gave their evaluation test at Maruti Driving School, and the winner drove away in a Maruti Alto 800.
Road education, we wanted to start it young. So we said that people who have just learned driving or in the younger one, they are the best persons to catch at a young age, so that this becomes a way of life with them, and they are able to then train others and help others down this path. So we started this initiative in 2009. The idea is we catch drivers between 18 to 30 years of age, and we select them through a three-way process, starting off with the online test and then practical driving test also. Last year, for example, we got I think more than 50,000 applications for this, registrations for this.
This year, Maruti Suzuki plans to make the road safety mission bigger and better by including all stakeholders involved in making our roads safe for driving. The India Road Safety Mission 2014 Awards, in association with Times Now, will honor individuals under various categories who have worked persistently towards the cause of road safety. An initiative that will reiterate the importance of following traffic rules and regulations.
We thought that we should reach out to the entire all the stakeholders who are involved in the road safety campaign today. It's not only Maruti, obviously, not only Times Now. So many variety of organizations, your NGOs, your PSUs, so many organizations are involved in trying to make our Indian roads safer and educate our general public, etc. So we wanted a program in which we recognize and reward the people who are doing well for this. So we are taking the entire gamut of stakeholders, and we are trying to analyze and trying to trying to show who has done what and award them on that basis. We got a set of parameters. We are trying to evaluate them on that and give them the recognition that they deserve for that.
Aiming to improve traffic education and develop safe driving habits amongst people, Maruti Suzuki is leaving no stone unturned, from shifting focus from ad hoc road safety activities to sustainable programs.
Road safety is the task, the job, the responsibility of not one person but everyone. Whether he's driving a car, he's a pedestrian, or who's designing a road. But all of us should be on the lookout to be driving responsibly, safely, so that we have a comfortable journey not only for ourselves but for everyone else on the road also.
Maruti Suzuki, through their road safety mission, has trained over 1.9 million people in safe driving practices, dedicated to their cause of making Indian roads safe for everyone.